Emma, come here.
What happened?
Look at Max.
Oh my goodness.
He is very dirty.
Where did he go?
I don't know.
His fur is full of mud.
His paws are dirty too.
He smells terrible.
I think he played in the park.
Or maybe he jumped into a muddy puddle.
Look, he is walking on the floor.
Oh no. He is making muddy footprints.
We have to clean him.
Yes, let's wash him.
Max, come here.
I don't think he knows what is coming.
I think you're right.
I'll get warm water.
I'll get dog shampoo.
Don't forget a towel.
I have 2 big towels.
Great.
Where is the brush?
It is in the cabinet.
Found it.
Everything is ready.
Now we only need Max.
Max.
I think he knows.
Come here, Max.
He is escaping.
Quick. Don't let him hide.
We got him.
Good job.
Ready?
Ready.
Easy, Max.
Good boy.
Look at his face.
He doesn't like this.
Ah,
I'm all wet.
me too.
Max, that wasn't nice.
So many bubbles.
He looks funny.
He looks like a fluffy cloud. Hey,
He kissed you.
he thinks this is a game.
Oh no.
Catch him.
He's making bubbles everywhere.
Slow down, Max.
Stay still, please.
Just 1 more minute.
All clean. You look so cute.
He looks like a little bear.
Not again.
Water everywhere.
Let's dry him.
I'll use the towel.
I'll brush his fur.
Wow.
He looks beautiful now.
And he smells wonderful.
Good job, Max. You were very brave.
Here is your favorite dinner.
He must be hungry.
He deserves a treat too. Good boy.
Let's make some tea.
Great idea.
This feels so relaxing.
The house is warm again.
Look at him.
He is already sleepy.
Today was funny.
And a little messy.
But we did it together.
That's what matters.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Good night, Max.
Sweet dreams, buddy.